Okay, so for the last part of this problem, we need to go through and build our three solutions for our 3x3 linear system and compose a general solution. So our y of t, as you remember from before, is going to have three arbitrary constants. It's going to have a c1 e to the negative t times the eigenvector -1, -1, plus a second arbitrary constant c2 e to the lambda 2t, which is -2t, times a -1, 1, and 2. And then finally, a third arbitrary constant, c3, times e to -3t, times that corresponding eigenvector, -1, 0, 1. And then these three vectors right here make up our solution. Once again, you can check to verify that they are linearly independent, and you could also check to verify that they're solutions by directly substituting them back into the differential equation and showing them make a true statement.